Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor cooking with the Cuisinart CPO-401 outdoor pizza oven. If you're a pizza lover like me, you won't want to miss this. Now, let me tell you why the Cuisinart CPO-401 stands out as the best pizza oven for your outdoor adventures. First off, it's powered by thermoflow technology, which means it's not just an oven, it's a pizza-making powerhouse. With its contoured lid and 15,000 BTU stainless steel burner, this oven reaches temperatures over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your pizzas cook to perfection in under 5 minutes. But what really sets this pizza oven apart is its thoughtful design. The dual-hinged lid, with its patent-pending double-wall construction, keeps the heat locked in for consistent cooking. Plus, the front-access pizza door allows you to slide your pies in and out with ease, minimizing heat loss and maximizing efficiency. Assembly is a breeze. Just attach the legs and handle, connect your propane tank, and you're ready to start cooking. And with the integrated temperature gauge and piezo ignition, firing up this oven is as easy as pie. Literally. Don't just take my word for it. Users rave about the versatility and performance of the Cuisinart CPO-401. Whether you're baking pizzas, roasting veggies, or even grilling steaks, this outdoor oven does it all, and does it well. So there you have it, folks. The Cuisinart CPO-401 outdoor pizza oven, the best companion for your outdoor culinary adventures. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews of top-notch products like this one. Until next time, happy cooking!